Welcome to Woodmansterne All-Through School. We were originally a primary school of about 350 pupils. We have, over the past 4 or 5 years, been part of an extensive building project. We have gone from a single-storey building that served 350 kids to 2 buildings, a primary and a secondary building that will eventually serve just under 2,000 children. The buildings themselves have been managed by 2 separate companies. Our primary building was 15 months delayed, the IT was late, screens didn't work, so we were quite traumatised moving forward. Complete opposite happened with this project, so we had fantastic partnerships with Dixon, who built it, and Partnership Education, or PEL, who provided all the IT and infrastructure. I feel that we got massive support from Partnership Education in kind of learning from the problems that we'd had in the past and then really talking us through their vision for the school. What PEL have provided for us is initially making sure that everything was in place and working effectively, to then the kind of designs for the secondary, to then the install and coordinating with our infrastructure manager when that happened, making sure that we hit the target for the opening day, and then the support that's been going on forward from that, and us really feeling assured that we've got a team working with us that will make sure we know how to use the fantastic equipment they've installed.
Some of the more complex issues that we faced were certainly on the networking side, dealing with 2 split internet connections, one for the secondary school and one for the primary school, and it was very helpful to have the expertise of Partnership Education to guide us through that. In the new server room in the secondary, we've got 3 new servers and a lovely HP SAN. We're running System Center Virtual Machine Manager to manage the failover of individual virtual machines between the various servers, so we can actually lose one entire server and it will automatically fail over to one of the others. For backup, Partnership have helped design a solution which means that we're backing up each of our buildings to the other. Another area that Partnership were able to help us with was the AV setup. They've managed to provide us with a really robust and capable system that will allow us to do assemblies, performances, parents' evenings.
I felt all the way through the project that I was being advised, supported and guided in terms of making the right decisions for my pupils to have the best provision in terms of IT that they could in the school, but also to make sure that it was going to be able to run smoothly for the staff.
Found that the team who actually came in and did the install very professional, always calm and courteous. We were under some quite tight time constraints in the end, and to be honest, they pulled out some amazing work to get us there in time.
What PEL have done is really work in harmony with us. They've been completely committed to delivering on budget, delivering ahead of schedule. We went from possibly the worst experience, or for me personally, the worst experience a head teacher could have on a new build to, I think, probably one of the best experiences that you could have. We can't wait to do our Year 6 production here and have the parents come in and kind of be really wowed by what Partnership Education have been able to deliver for us. I would have absolutely no hesitation in recommending PEL for schools that are looking to do new builds, because they have gone above and beyond our expectations.